This is your video for your 2 journals this week. We're doing the coordinate plane and we're doing graphing patterns. Make sure you have both of these pages and your practice page. Your practice page is due by Friday. We're gonna start with the coordinate plane page. You need to turn in your journal to your tab that says coordinate planes. And the first thing we're gonna do is you may color everything except for this that has the blank coordinate grid on it. So you may color your title, your ordered pairs, and your vocabulary. Next, you're gonna cut out all of your pieces. This needs to stay attached in the middle, so you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces when you're done cutting. Okay, now I'm ready to start putting together my journal. I'm gonna do this on this side of the page, on the back of my tab page, so that my graphing patterns can be side by side. I wanna be able to see them together. So first I'm gonna glue down my title. If I can get my journal to stay open. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna glue down is this. This has my ordered pairs on it. Maybe. Okay. I'm going to glue it over here, kind of close to the top, because I need to make sure that this will still fit underneath. Yes. So you don't want too much space in between. Okay, so before I glue this down, I'm going to take this. You want to make sure your arrows are pointing the correct direction, up and over. Okay, so going over to the right and up. Don't glue it down yet. Make sure you have something to write with that will show up well. So first we're gonna label our origin, which is 0, 0. I'm gonna put a dot here. And I'm gonna write origin, O-R-I-G-I-N. Then I'm gonna label the rest of these. So this is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I'm gonna do the same thing going this way. Okay, so it should look like this. Your origin is 0, 0. That's always your starting point. Okay, so now let's label this our x-axis. So I'm gonna put an X here. Our x-axis will always run horizontally and it will always be first in our ordered pairs. I'm gonna label my vertical axis Y. Y will always be the second number in our ordered pairs. So now, looking at our ordered pairs, we're gonna plot them 4, 7. So starting at my origin dot, I'm gonna go over 4, because I have to go in the house first, and then I'm gonna go up the stairs to 7. I'm gonna put a dot, and I'm going to label it A. Skip down and look at H, it's 0, 9. So let's do that one together. We're gonna go over 0, so we're not gonna leave our origin, and we're gonna go up 9, and we're gonna label that one H. What I want you to do next is I want you to plot B through G, and then I need to see it to check it when you're finished. Okay, now I'm gluing down my coordinate grid. Okay. Then I want you to take this next piece with our vocabulary and we're going to cut in between each word just to the dotted line. Next, I'm going to put glue just down the center strip on the back side, and I'm going to glue it down. Okay, the next part I want you to do on your own. You're going to use your Chromebook and you are going to look up 5th grade definitions of these words. So your Google search needs to say something like 5th grade math definition of origin. Write these definitions under each flap in pencil in case I need to have you correct any of them. I need to check all 6 of your words before you move on.